Welcome ninth class students. Lesson number 4, Constructions of Triangles. Today we are going to study how to construct a triangle if its perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given. Now let's solve practice set 4.3. Number 1. Construct triangle PQR in which angle Q is equal to 70 degree, angle R is equal to 80 degree and PQ plus QR plus PR is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Means in this question the perimeter of triangle is given 9.5 centimeter and two adjacent angles to the base, that is angle Q is equal to 70 degree and angle R is equal to 80 degree is given. Now at first draw the rough figure. This is a rough figure. In this figure, in triangle PQR, angle Q is 70 degree and angle R is 80 degree and AB is equal to 9.5 centimeter, that is the perimeter. And so we have to draw the ray making an angle of 35 degree, that is half of 70 degree at point A, and then draw the ray making an angle of 40 degree, that is half of 80 degree at point B. Extend these two rays, they meet at point P. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and perpendicular bisector of AP and perpendicular bisector of PB. These two bisectors meet at point Q and R. Join PQ and PR, thus we get triangle PQR. Now let's draw this triangle. At first draw the segment AB 9.5 centimeter, that equal to the perimeter of a triangle. Now angle Q is given 70 degree. So at point A, draw the ray making angle 35 degree, that is half of the 70 degree. So take this angle 35 degree here. Draw this line. Now at point B, draw the ray making an angle 40 degree. These two rays meet at point P. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AP. So put compass at point A. Take more than half of distance of AP in a compass. Draw the two arcs. On both sides of AP, put compass at point P. Draw two more arcs on both sides of AP. Now join these 2 points this is perpendicular bisector of AP. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of PB. Take more than half of distance of PB in a compass. Put compass at point B and draw arc on both sides of PB. Then put compass at point P and draw 2 more arcs on both sides of PB. So we get these 2 points of intersection. Now join these 2 points of intersection of arcs in this way. This is perpendicular bisector of PB. So these 2 perpendicular bisectors meet segment AB at the points Q and R. Now join the points PQ and PR in this way. Now this angle is 35 degree, this angle is 40 degree, this angle is 70 degree, and this angle is 80 degree. Thus we have constructed triangle PQR. Now in this triangle, point Q is on the perpendicular bisector of AP, therefore it is equidistant from the points P and A. So AP and PQ are congruent. Similarly, PR and RB are congruent. Now example number 2. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y 58 degree, angle X 46 degree and perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter. So this is a rough figure in which take AB 10.5 centimeter, that equal to perimeter of triangle XYZ. Now this angle is 46 degree. Take half of that angle and draw the ray at point A, making a 23 degree. Angle Y is 58 degree, so half of 58 degree is a 29 degree. So draw a ray making 29 degree at point B. These 2 rays intersect at point Z. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ. It will meet AB at point X, and draw the perpendicular bisector of BZ. It will meet at point Y. So in this way we can construct triangle XYZ. Now let's construct this triangle. So draw segment AB 10.5 centimeter. Now draw ray making 23 degree at point A. So 23 degree means 20 and 3 lines. This is 23 degree. Now draw another ray making 29 degree. At point B, so these two rays meet at point Z. This is point Z. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ. So take compass, take more than half of distance in a compass, more than half of AZ, and draw the two arcs on the opposite side of AZ. Now put compass on point Z and draw two more arcs on the opposite side of AZ. So we get these 2 points of intersection of arcs. Now join these 2 points in this way. This is perpendicular bisector of AZ. So this AZ meets AB at point X. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of BZ. Put compass on B. Take more than half of distance of BZ and draw two arcs on the both side of BZ. Put compass on point Z. Draw two more arcs in this way. Now we get these 2 points. Join these points. So this is perpendicular bisector of BZ. Let this BZ meet, perpendicular bisector meet AB at point Y. Now join ZY and also ZX. Now in this figure, this angle is 23 degree, this angle is 29 degree, so angle X is a 46 degree, angle Y is a 58 degree. In this way we have constructed triangle XYZ. Now question number 3. Construct triangle LMN in which angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle N is equal to 80 degree, and LM plus MN plus NL is equal to 11 centimeter. So perimeter is 11 centimeters. Let's draw rough figure. AB 11 centimeter. Angle M is 60 degree. Take half of 60 degree, that is 30 degree, and make ray. Draw ray making an angle 30 degree at point A. So angle N is 80 degree. Now take half of 80 degree, that is 40 degree, and draw ray from point B making an angle 40 degree. So these two rays meet at point L. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AL. So it will meet at point M. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BL. It will meet at point N. Thus we can construct triangle LMN. Let's construct this triangle. Now draw ray making an angle 30 degree at point A. Join these points. Now draw the ray at point B making an angle 40 degree. In this way. These two rays meet at point L. This is L point. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AL. So take more than half of distance of AL in a compass. Put compass at point A and draw the arc on both sides of AL. Now put compass at point L and draw two more arcs in this way. Now join these 2 points, point of intersection of these 2 arcs. So this is perpendicular bisector of AL. This perpendicular bisector meet AB at point M. This is point M. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of BL. Take more than half of distance of BL in a compass. Put compass at point B. Draw the 2 arcs on both sides of BL. Now put compass at point L and draw 2 more arcs on the both sides of BL. This is point of intersections of 2 arcs. Join these points. So this is perpendicular bisector of BL. This perpendicular bisector meet AB at point N. Now join LN and LM in this way. Now this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 40 degree, and this angle is 80 degree. This AN and LM congruent. Now LN and BN congruent. In this way we have drawn triangle LMN by given information. Thus students, today we have studied how to construct a triangle if its perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given.